Minecraft add-ons, a way to add on and mod existing Minecraft Bedrock content. One of the most powerful features about add-ons is you write once and they'll work everywhere, so you can play with all your gamer friends. To make an add-on, I highly recommend using a program called Bridge. It's awesome because it's free, it's open source, and it's made by amazing contributors and developers. Link for that will be down in the description. When you first hop into Bridge, you'll want to create a new project. This will hold all your add-on files. To add new content to an add-on, you're going to create a new file, and for this example, we'll use a block. Most of an add-on is comprised of JSON, which is a format for storing data that makes it easy for machines and humans to read. If you look inside a normal block, it is composed of components, which are like the behaviors and properties of that block. For our example block, let's like this emit some light and have some friction when you walk on it. When you save the file, Bridge will automatically compile your project to the correct file structure and load it into Minecraft. The same components apply to items and entities. You can also create more complex behaviors with events, mulling, filters, and commands. Thank you guys, we're almost to 100 subscribers, so make sure to like and subscribe. This has been Minecraft Add-ons in 100 seconds.